Today we are going to discuss about the next part of exercise 1A. So see that in number 8, write the successor of each of the following. So successor means the next number. Okay. So that means plus 1. Successor means plus 1 and predecessor means minus 1. So that means the number given 6001. So successor of 6001, that means plus 1, that means 6002. Similarly, next number 3. In number 3, number is given 12,749. That means plus 1. Clear? So 12,750. Now next one, number 5. Now see that 62,399. That means plus 1. So 62,400. Okay. So this is the successor of the number. Next, predecessor. So we know that predecessor means minus 1. So number 1, 99. So predecessor means minus 1. So 99 minus 1, 98. Next, number 3, 32,000 minus 1. That means 31,999. Similarly, if we write number 4, that is 165,000. The 165,000, we have to minus 1. That means 164,999. Okay. So predecessor means minus 1 and successor means plus 1. Now pause the video, note it down. So next one in number 10. So in number 10, see that write the whole number whose successor is 100. Write the whole number whose successor is 100. 99, because 99 plus 1 equals to 100. Okay. 99 plus 1 equals to 100. Whose successor? Okay, that means you have to find the number plus 1, that is the given number. Okay. So next, number 3. So in number 3, see that 71,650. That means you have to find the number, that is 71,649. Okay. Next, number 4. So in number 4, the number given 42,000. Okay, 42,000. That means 41,999. Next, number 11. Write the whole number whose predecessor is given. Okay, yeah, predecessor is given. You have to find the number. So in number 1, that is given 1,000. 1,000 whose predecessor? 1,001's predecessor. That means this number after this number. Okay, 1,000, then 1,001. Whose predecessor is 1,000. Okay. Next, number 3. 3,001. That means 3,002. And the last one, number 5. So in number 5, the number is given 9,999. That means 10,000. Okay. Note down. Now in number 12. So in number 12, see that write down 3 consecutive whole numbers succeeding 72597. Okay, so succeeding this number, so that means you have to write 3 numbers after that. So 72598, 72599 and 72600. Right? 3 numbers are there. This plus 1, this plus 1 and this plus 1. So these 3 numbers are the whole numbers succeeding 72597. Now note down. Next, number 14. Very important sum this is, number 14. So in number 14, see that how many 6 digits number are there in all. So how many 6 digits number? So this is a very important question, students. How many 6 digit numbers are there in all? In question paper or in the exam, this question can be given how many 5 digits number they are there in all, or how many 7 digits number are there in all. So same process will be there. So see that. So in the question 6 digits given, so I am writing the 6 digits. Largest 6 digits number. Largest 6 digit number. What is the largest 6 digit number? 999999. Clear? Now largest 5 digit number. 99999. Subtract it. This is the answer. So the number of 6 digit numbers are there 9 lakh. Okay, 9 lakh. Oh. So next, number 15. In 15, very easy question this is. See that write the largest 8 digit number. So very easy. 8, 9 you have to write. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is number 1. And number 2, this is write the smallest 8 digit number. This is the smallest digit number and this is the largest digit number, like 8 digit number. So this is the smallest 8 digit number and this is the largest 8 digit number. Use comma for your help. Very important part, using comma. So in the next part, before you go, note down. So now in 17.2, all the sums are equal. 16, 17.1 and 17.2, 3 sums are equal. So I am doing the 17.2 one. So in the 17.2 one, see that write all the possible 3 digits number that can be formed by the digits 9, 2 and 0. Very important part this also. So you have to form the number with 3 digit number. This is 920. Using each digit only once in each number. You cannot repeat the number. Only you can use one number in one time. So now see that you can write here, if we start with 2, because 209 and 290 is possible. Yes, it is possible because it is 3 digit number. Now the next one we can write 920,902. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Now we can write 029 and 092. No, this cannot be possible. Why? Because we cannot write a number starting with 0. This is a very important part. So we cannot write a number starting with 0. That's why we cannot take it. You only take this number. We are only taking this 4 number. Okay. So 209, 290, 920 and 902. These 4 number are, we can write, this is a 3-digit number. Okay. Note it down. Now in number 18.2. So number 18.2. So in number 18.2, see that, write the greatest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number that can be formed by the digit 0, 2, 7, 5. So you have to write the greatest 4-digit number. So you have very easy this is. So you have to firstly choose the greatest number here. So 7, next 5, next 2 and next one 0. So this is 7520 is the greatest 4-digit number here. Next in number 19, you can see that write the smallest 4-digit write the smallest 4-digit number of 4 different digits. Okay. So see that, write a 4-digit number of 4 different digits. So you can choose any number from your end. I hope you all write your own different number, not copy by me. Okay. So I am writing here, see that 3, 4, 8, 7. Okay. So you have to write the smallest. Okay. Smallest means you have to choose the smallest number. Okay. That means smallest means 3 is smallest here, 3, next 4, next 7, next 8. Okay. For another one, we can write, suppose we choosing 1, 0, 3, 8. Not 8. Suppose 1, 0, 9, 6. So see that the smallest number is 1, 0, 6, 9. Okay. So this is the 1069. You have to choose by your own any 4 digit and write the smallest number creating these numbers. Okay. You have to choose any number, any 4 number, and you have to write a 4 digit smallest number. Now note down. Now the last one, number 20. In the number 20, write the greatest 4-digit number. Write the greatest 4-digit number of 4 different digits. Greatest one. Previously we are doing the smallest one. Now for the greatest one, I am choosing 703 9. Okay. So 7039. You have to choose the greatest one. That means 9. Next 7. Next 3. Next 0. Okay. Another one. Suppose 3, 2, 5, 8. You can write here 8 is the bigger here. So 8, 5, 3, 2. So 8, 5, 3, 2 is the number. The biggest number you are creating with the 4 numbers. Okay, choose your own and create your own number. Don't copy it. Okay, so this is the exercise 1A. So hope you all learn all the process. All the sums are here. Practice it properly and do the classwork and homework as I am saying in the previous class. Okay, this is the classwork and rest of the work that is not done by me. This is the homework. Okay, so thank you all. Next class we are going to discuss comparison of the numbers. Thank you all.